Hello guys, just got this Temu. This is the raining tablet as far as I'm concerned. So I'm unboxing my new Temu. Wow. I like pink, I'm color pink. Even this one is pink. This is the pad, whatever. This is how it came. It's from the coven. It's even not coven, no. No, which can look at it. Wow. It's my tablet. Fat. I have been waiting to get these tablets. I have been fat. I can't wait. Now, in fact, they even arrange everything for me, sef. It came with different things. It came with pouch. It has a pouch. Everything. Just I don't wait. I think it's like this. The set. It's okay. I think it will be like this. I don't know. I think it will be like this. I think it will be like this. I don't know. In fact, I'm just so happy. Not just like this. It came with look at this. Look at this. This is what I was waiting for. Look at this color. Pink. I know I like color pink. This is the user guide. Here with pen, keyboard, 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 keyboard. Look at the keyboard. Look at the color pink. Very fine colors. I like this baby pink. Here with this pen. I'm just so happy. Hey, I can't wait to explore it. I can't wait. Have you seen my new pie? Have you seen it? It's a gift. Have you seen it? It's a gift. Yeah, I'm sorry. I have a friend. The gift. Look at it. So, I don't know if you have a screen guide. Come on to celebrate. Come and celebrate with me. Oh, I'm doing video. How was the exam?
It was very nice. Wow.
Wow. Woo! From Cook. Does he have screen guide? Check if you have. Does he have?
I don't think so.
He has, Bobby. Supposed to get to Temu. Give me screen guard, but don't do you. How will I on it? On is from here. So how to charge it, Shabby?
Yeah. So 100%.
200%.
It
Okay.
looks so nice. I like the pink vibe.
You know what I mean? They say it's like it work like Android and tablets. Okay, you have seen it. Actually, you have seen it on Temu.
Yes.
This one is auto thing. I've not bought something like this before. Tablet PC empowered by Android. Oh, see now, see display now. It's sweeting you. As it is sweet me, it is sweet them. So let me come and charge you. It came with charger, but no, whatever. Wow. I'm not touching anything now. I'm not starting now. 90%. Yeah, should I still charge it? Yeah. 90%. Oh. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to charge it now. This one going to use only Wi-Fi. Why you not going to use SIM card now? Eh? So I'm going to use SIM card now. So let me turn it off. No, can you turn it on and charge? Hi there. See now.